Italy, making our way to find the morgue. It's down here in the basement. This is the basement here. You see the stairs right there. Let's see if we can find this morgue.
The morgue had 8 marble autopsy tables spread across multiple rooms, each one with its own stool, drainage system, and dim lights positioned in every corner that would have made this place deeply unsettling even when it was operational.
4 marble slabs. Definitely not something that you see every day there. There's lights in like every corner too, that's cool.